and welcome back to Craft by Rose. In today's video I've got something a little bit different for you. Today I have an untubing. This comes to us from Evermoment. I haven't ordered from them in a little while. The last time I did they were still offering double-sided adhesive. They have now upgraded to poured glue, and this will be the first time that I have tried one of their poured glue kits. Or should I say poured glue canvases, and I wanted to try that with you. At least let's have a look together. So let's get into this. So we have the classic purple Evermoment tube. So let's get into the painting itself. So let's see what we have in the new upgraded kits. So first things first, we have the Evermoment toolkit. So this is their standard kit that you get with every one of their diamond paintings. They don't have two versions like some companies do, due to the fact that they only do squares. They don't do round drill. Then you do get some other extras. You get a whole lot of baggies that you can use to kit up with. These are very good baggies to use. They're good quality, and they have the white strip on the front which allows you to write the DMC number or write on the symbol for that particular colour. And then you will normally get a free gift, which as of lately has been the washi tape. This is branded, and they do this in quite a few different colours. That will work to go around the edges of your canvas so you don't get any lint on the sticky parts whilst you're working on them. Let's get the drills and canvas out. If it wants to come out, ooh, I can tell straight away they've definitely upgraded the canvas. Just so, not just the poured glue, the canvas itself has changed. It is that eco backing. It's very soft. And this canvas is much more malleable than what they used to use when they had double-sided adhesive. So drills, let's put those to one side for the moment. We'll have a look at them in a minute. So very malleable. I like that. Something else to note about Evermoment's canvases is they do have the scalloped edging to them, and it does have the serge line as well. That will stop your canvas from fraying. Then here on this side we have a thumbnail of the image we're going to diamond paint. You have the size of the painting, which for this is 50 by 70, and the item code. Down here we have a copy of the legend for this kit, and this kit has 43 colours in it. Then along this side of your painting you have the Evermoment branding. Evermoment, always worth your time, money and trust. And then finally on this bottom edge you'll have all their social media details. So you've got a link to their Facebook page, Instagram. So let's have a look at this. Bring you down. I'm loving the quality of this. The symbol quality hasn't changed, so you've still got good quality with your symbols. That's one of the other things that I always love about Evermoment. Their symbols are nice and clear and easy for you to follow. So that will be the only thing I would like to change. Let's zoom you out. So onto the drills. They've now put the legend set, the floating legend separate. Let's have a look. So this is the image that I got. I just love the image itself and the pastels in this. So you've got all the blues and pinks. Then we have the inventory for this. So it's 43 colours, and then it will give you the symbol. That's what you come to expect with diamond painting. Then they list the DMC number and how many drills you'll need of that particular colour. So if you're a person that likes to kit up your using the labels with your Harbour Freights or your 60 bottle containers or your Elizabeth wards or that kind of thing, and you like to kit up, you can easily cut this section out with the symbol and the DMC and just run that through a 01 sticker maker, and then you can easily label up and kit up with these. So that's not going to be a problem. There we have our inventory sheet. So we have 2 packs of drills. Just look at that colour palette. I love that. The pinks and blues. A little bit of purple in there. I wasn't expecting that. So we've got bag 1 of 2. Bag 2 of 2. Let's have a look. They have changed these a little bit, I can tell, because the packets don't look quite the same. So, yeah, they have now changed their bags. Although they're still they made the bags bigger, but they're still putting small quantities of diamonds in the bags. Like those 3 are all 38, 36. They could easily fit into 1 bag, but they're putting them into 3. So they've changed the look of the bags, but they still haven't changed how they do the quantities. They're just doing small quantities. Yeah, it's annoying. So they've kind of gone halfway with the change that they was trying to make, where it was meant to be less packaging, but it's not. It's the same amount of packaging, it's just the packaging looks a little bit different. But that aside, the quality of their diamonds is really good, so you haven't got to worry about the quality of the diamonds. That's not a thing that you need to worry about. So that's that pack of diamonds. Let's have a look at this pack. And then we have this second pack. So their drill quality is really good. I'm not seeing any problems. Let's have a little. Yeah, so that's the diamonds done. So they're the diamonds and back into the bag. I just love the colour palette that we have with these. I'm very much looking forward to doing this diamond painting. So if I remember correctly, this was listed on Evermoment as something like Girl with Cherry Blossoms. So this has been our look at Girl with Cherry Blossoms. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this kit as much as I've enjoyed showing it to you. If you would have liked this video, then please do give this video a like. If you would like to see more content like this, then please do make sure you're subscribed to the channel. You can do that by clicking on the subscribe button down here. And if you are already subscribed to the channel, please do make sure you have your notifications bell turned on down here, and that way you will get a notification of when I upload another video. With that said, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see all of you next time. Bye!